Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and this is going to be another video in which I'm going to talk about the very basics of the biostatistics and bioinformatics. So today we are going to talk about dispersion and the range of numbers. If you know the terminology, this is 50% of your success. And this is also will greatly help you to understand following ideas, topics and videos of bioinformatics and biostatistics. Calculation of the range of the set of numbers is a straightforward process, and it is one of the simplest measures of dispersion in statistics. The range gives you an idea of how spread out the values in your data set are, and here's how we calculate it. Imagine that we have a following data set: 5, 7, 12, 20, 3, and 15. In order to find the range, we have to deduct from the maximum value minimum value. So let's analyze this data set. Take a look. The maximum value is 20, and the minimum here is going to be 3. So range is going to be 20 minus 3, 17. So for this dataset, 17 is going to be the range of these numbers, of this dataset. But you also have to remember that while the range is easy to calculate and it provides some information about the variability in dataset, it is also sensitive to outliers. A single very high or very low value can dramatically affect the range. So it's often used in conjunction with other measures of dispersion like standard deviation or interquartile range for a more complete understanding of dataset variability. So keep watching. All my following videos on biostatistics is also going to be this easy, and gradually you will understand this topic and it's not going to be a hard topic for you anymore. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.